guys, it's me, Christina, and I'm here today to do another carpet cleaner video with you. What? Another one? Didn't I just do one of those? I did, and that's the reason I'm doing another one, because if you watch that video, you know it was a complete disaster. A complete disaster. It was a horrible carpet cleaner. It messed up my carpets. So what I have to do, I had to go find another carpet cleaner to fix it. And I did. I found a great carpet cleaner, and I love it, and I want to show it to you guys so you can decide whether you want to go get one too. Now, the great thing about this is, it's not just a carpet cleaner. It's a spot cleaner, and I can use it on my carpets. I can take it and use it in my car. I can use it on my couch or chairs, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use it on this chair. This came out of my kids' room, and it is nasty, and I want to clean it. So you're going to come along with me and see how well this carpet cleaner does on this dirty chair. Let's take a look and get started. Okay, here it is. I'm sure this has been drink spilled, and drink spilled over and over and over. This is just nasty. I mean, what do you expect? It wasn't a kid's room. But I'm taking it out, and it's going in my living room. And it can't look like this. So let's get it clean. Okay, this is the carpet cleaner. This is the Bissell Little Green spot cleaner. And I really, really like it. And I'm so excited to share it with you. First of all, do you see how compact it is? You can pick this thing up and carry it with you anywhere. Very lightweight. Has the attachments here. The cord is probably 6 foot, 12 foot cord, I think. It's a long cord. Over here, you have where your dirty water is going to go into. Comes up and out of there easily, so you can rinse that out. And right here is your solution. Solution goes right in here. Marks your fill line. I don't know if you can see that on here or not. Shows you where to fill it at, and then you fill the rest with water. Goes right down in there. And it couldn't be any simpler. So let me get this filled up, plugged in, and let's get started. Okay, so this is the power button to turn it on. We're just going to take the handle off. There's a little thing that holds it. Flip that up, pull it out. Turn this on. It is a little loud, but if you remember last time how loud the other carpet cleaner was, it's going to be some noise. Now all you're going to do is push this button down to release the solution. You're going to scrub with this, and when you're done, you're going to suck it back up by motioning like this. Very simple. So let's do this. I used a generic Great Value carpet cleaner while cleaning this chair. If this doesn't come clean, next time I'll go get a better carpet cleaner solution and try it again. But fingers crossed, this carpet cleaner is a good and powerful little carpet cleaner, and it will get it clean. I guess we're getting ready to find out. You guys don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think about this carpet cleaner. Okay, I'm not completely finished, but I'm going to stop for now. But I want to show you the results so far and how much better. Turns out a lot of these stains were paint. My kids do a lot of arts and crafts, so that makes sense. That's paint. But you can already see a big change in this chair. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get the paint off there. Otherwise, as far as being a lot cleaner than what it was, I'm amazed. And it's not soaking wet. Yeah, it's a little bit damp. It's not soaking wet like the last one was, as you can see. So yeah, that's a big improvement with this little spot cleaner. Another thing I wanted to show you on this is on the back side of this cleaner. There's a little vent, and it blows out some warm air. So if you're doing like a carpet or something, and you have this facing on the carpet, it helps dries it as you go along. That's what solution I had left. And I think it was only filled up to here. And this is my nasty water. It comes out like that. That's how much it cleaned it. So, and this just dumps out. And then you rinse it through there too. So there you have it. I'm very happy with this carpet cleaner. I'm also going to put at the end of this video just a small picture of a piece of a carpet that I did, so you can see what it looks like on a carpet. But I'm very impressed with this. I like this compact. It's small. It has a long cord. I can use it in many different places. Choose the cleaner that's best for you. I'm going to have to find another cleaner to kind of deal with the paints. But I'm happy overall. And I think that you'll be happy too. This is the Bissell Little Green spot cleaner. And I suggest you go buy you one, because I absolutely love this one. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe to my page, come back to watch more videos, and thanks for watching. Bye. Go buy you a Bissell Little Green carpet cleaner. Okay, here's a spot on my carpet. This is where everyone wants to come in and sit down. I spent about 15 minutes cleaning on this, and it brought it up really well. Very impressed with this carpet cleaner. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. Don't go nowhere, because I'm getting ready to show you the before and after of the chair also. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.